right, so now you see on my screen, I am using my phone. So a lot of people asking me what kind of webcam you are using. I have a camera over here. If you see, there's a ring light so you can see it. I have a camera over there, and I use my old phone for another camera. So if you have an old phone, you can use as your webcam. You can put over there, you can put over here, or you can put somewhere around your room. So you have a lot of cameras, so you can, any angle you wanted to look at, you can use those cameras. So how will you connect that into your computer? Now I'm going to show you guys how you do it without any without buying any cord or extensions or things like that. But you can use your USB a charger. If you have it, you can put that on charge on your phone and then charge at the back of your computer. Or you cannot just charge your phone 100%, so you don't need to connect it to your computer as long as you have a Wi-Fi, and that's all. You can go live and make a video. You can go live stream using your phone without buying expensive camera for now. So let's start. So before that, I'm going to show you where to get, but you need to get the apps on the Play Store. So the apps that I'm going to recommend, I know there are a lot of apps that you can use to use your phone as a web camera, but what I'm using right now is, let's go to the Apple Store. Apple Store now. It's not Apple Store. Play Store. Where's my Play Store? Okay, over here. So see the Play Store? Just click the Play Store, and now you will see the apps. I've already downloaded it, so all I have to do is just open. For those of you who don't have it yet, just type the Iruin. I don't know how you pronounce that. Just type IRUIN on the search bar, and then once you get that, it will appear this icon. So make sure that you have the same icon, Iruin 4K webcam for PC. All right, so you can, it's not only for PC. So if you have a Mac computer, you can also use that uh, both. So once you've downloaded it, you can now open it. So I'm going to open this app. Oh, there you go. Now you see me. All right. So now from here, I think I'm on portrait. I don't know. I'm not sure, portrait or landscape. So how you know that? Okay, you see this tool over here. Just click that, and you're going to the settings. So, okay, now I see where what my orientation is. I'm on a portrait position, and portrait position is like this. Hello. All right. So if you want to go on landscape like that, you can set it up going back to this. Click the tool again, and then go to the orientation, and you can make a choice. If you want to go on landscape, if you want to set it on landscape, you can do that too. So let's do it on landscape. All right. And let's see how it looks like. There you go. Now I'm on a landscape position. All right. So like that. Oh, sorry. All right. So now like that. All right. So now you're on a landscape position. And now you can use that to your video recording, or if you want to go on live, or you want to go stream, you want to go, you want to make a video, you can just use this camera, your old phone, connect to your computer, because you're going to ask anyway. The computer is going to ask you what kind of camera you are using. So you go to the video setting and choose the camera, and it will come out the name of these apps, like IRUIN, and then just click that camera, and then now you're now good to go. All right, so I'm going back to my original position, the portrait. All right, and then you see the camera. It says click the camera, and you will see you have a back and front. So my camera is setting in front, so it's really face on me, so I can see myself. So if you want to set it back, you just flip back your camera and all you can see is the lens. So you just look at the lens while you're filming or recording a video. But I want it in front, so I just let it like that. All right, so just give a little time to, to go back to the position wherever you want. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's so easy. So if you have a old phone or iPhone 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you can use that as your web camera. I know they have a kind of a resolution, a nice resolution, but I'm good with this. This is what I'm look. This is my face, no filter, but you can filterize your, your room. You can filterize your face. There is a setting somewhere there, but I don't think you can do it on a phone, or maybe you can do it on your computer once you choose that camera. So there is adjustment there for saturation, or if you want more lights on it. So if you're using a ring light, or if you have lights on you while filming a video, that helps, right? So yeah, so that's all you need to start creating a content and making a video and going live. You can use your old phone camera if you don't have money to buy expensive camera. So yeah, so I hope you like this tutorial, guys. So if you already have this kind of application, or you can play with it, there are a lot of, go to Play Store, and there are a lot of applications that you can use to install to your phone and connect it to your computer, so that you can start creating content and making a video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, just write down on the comments. And if you like my tutorial, please give me a like, give me some love, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I discover a new tutorials. All right, so thank you, guys, and hope you have a happy new year, and stay fit, be safe. See you next time. Bye.